Hey, Sam, move away from the swing. It's my turn.
No, I just started swinging. You should come later.
Hearty, my friend Sam won't share the swing, and now I don't know what to do.
Oh, friendship problems feel tricky, but they're like math problems.
Math problems? I love those!
We can solve this with the friendship formula. Every friendship needs 3 things. First, K for kindness.
Kindness means sharing, helping, and using kind words.
Second, L for listening. Not just hearing, but really listening.
In communication science, active listening.
Third, R for respect. Respecting space, feelings, and turns.
The complete formula! In math, variables can change value. If K is low, friendship isn't balanced. But when all are high, strong friendship.
So friendship is like a math equation?
Exactly! Let's test it!
Welcome to the 3 friendship experiments!
Scenario 1. High K, low L, and low R. High kindness, but no listening. Result, frustration. Scenario 2. Low K, high L, and low R. Listening but interrupting personal space.
Result, discomfort.
Scenario 3. High K, L, and R. Now all variables balanced.
Kindness plus listening plus respect. Result, successful friendship. Like a chemical reaction, all elements needed.
So for the swing problem, kindness. I'll offer to push when my friend swings. Listening. I'll hear what they say. Respect. I'll wait my turn patiently.
Let's see it in action.
Hello, Sam. Can I swing?
I want 5 more minutes.
Okay, I hear you want 5 more minutes. I'll wait right here for my turn.
Actually, you can have it now.
Awesome! I am really excited to swing.
The formula worked.
Experimental evidence confirms.
So friendship isn't magic.
It's a formula you can learn.
And like all good formulas, it works every time.
Remember, kindness, listening, and respect. Share your formula story in comments.